little boxes on the hillside. Little boxes made of ticky-tacky. Little boxes, little boxes, little boxes all the same. There's a green one and a pink one and a blue one and a yellow one, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky, and they all look just the same. And the people in the houses all go to the university, and they all get put in boxes, little boxes all the same. And there's doctors and there's lawyers and business executives, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky, and they all look just the same. And they all play on the golf course and drink their martini dry, and they all have pretty children, and the children go to school, and the children go to summer camp and then to the university, and they all get put in boxes and they all come out the same. And the boys go into business and marry and raise a family, and they all get put in boxes, little boxes all the same. There's a green one and a pink one and a blue one and a yellow one, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky, and they all look just the same.
Friends tell me it's spring. My windows show the same. Without you here, the seasons pass me by. I know we were not moved, that loved like me and you. All the same, I miss you. Today has been okay. Today has been okay. Preacher lost his son. He's known by all in town. He found him with another son of God. Feeding on the prayer, never mind what God says. But love had lost its cause, and I thought today had been okay. Today has been okay. Today has been okay. Wind has burned your skin, the lovely air so thin, the salty waters underneath your feet. No one's gone, babe. Here's where you stay. This life has been insane, but today has been okay. Today has been okay. Today has been